All right, day 44 of day trading the market open with zero preparation. All right, just sitting down here, we have AREB up 103%, $8 stop. A little too pricey. CXAI, IBO. Wasn't IBO a mover from yesterday? Maybe, maybe not. What's it at? $1.06. Let's keep going. ICCT. Ooh, nice candle there for ICCT. Pre-market highs 536. Keep going. General market. What's the general market doing? Free falling. Okay. Oops. AREB going into a halt down? Yeah, sure is. Let's get some more stocks on the screen here. All right. All right. BDRX looks like it might be trying to curl. Let's get it up. BDRX. What you gonna do? Oh my gosh. What's the halt down level? 221. Or no, 147. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, fumble on the key. Such a fumble. Ay, 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 muchacho. All right. Well, it looked like my dash trader window had, I must have accidentally clicked some button or another because it was giving me rejections. Let's see what happens here. I tried to take this lower band bounce with this on top of the daily support level. You know, woulda, shoulda, coulda. That's what happens. Then I was gonna come over here and buy with the TD Ameritrader, or TOS, or whatever this is, Charles Schwab, but it was only on 100 shares, so that wasn't gonna cut it. So we'll wait. We'll wait. Maybe we get another panic flush, but you know the next bounce isn't gonna be as sexy, so that's a shame. You know, it's a shame. IBO, what you doing? Oh, IBO didn't end up halting down. Interesting. We can get a bear trap here. Gotta crack one to get a bear trap. Kinda gonna have to hold it a ways though. 105. Maybe we just wait for BDRX to set up for us one way or another. Maybe not. IBO, trying to crack one. I'm on a bear trap here. Here's one. Nope, rejection still. BDRX trying to creep. IBO new minute in about 15 seconds. Still trying for one. Another rejection off of one. The halt down's at 82 cents. Trying for one again. New minute starting now. Dang, I thought that was going to push through one there on that right when the new minute started. No dice. Trying one again. This one is being tough. At least it gives me a good line in the sand if I get an entry at like 101 or something. There we go. I'll take it. All right, line in the sand's at 1 now. Oh. Is this gonna cook me? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a terrible trade. So much for the line in the sand at 1, huh? All right, is this thing gonna lower band though? 82 cents is the lower band. No, 85 cents is lower band. Halt downs at 82. Take that there. Double shares. Let's go. Half off the risk. Beautiful. Okay, now let's let this thing cook for a little bit. Let's let it cook. Gonna go half off again. All right. Oh, I was gonna say I didn't get a full fill. All right, so we're pretty much all risk off now. So my entry level's at 86. So I mean, yeah. Unless this comes back down and tests lower band around this level, I think we should be Gucci. Do we wait for it to do all this nonsense and then possibly come test VWAP, or do we just take our money and run, though? That's kind of the question. Just hold it for a little while. Maybe try to cut another half. There's another half. I'd like to get the rest maybe out around. EMA's kind of far away, huh? Yeah, it is. All right, we're going to use 90 as a max L. Or as a final jump ship right there at the low of that candle. That's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna hope that it comes and breaks this here. It's testing it now, and we're gonna hope it comes and tests EMA, which is about 2% away. That is the way. That is the plan. Keep on waiting, waiting for IBO to do some shit. Okay. Come on up here, and there we go. Very nice, very nice. Executed beautifully for my beautiful $2.48 for the day. So let's recap this day. So it started over here with BDRX. I tried to get in on this panic flush down to the lower band and down to this daily support level. You know, this was really the trade. That trade was, you know, let's say I got in at 163. Let's say I got in, oh, and here it comes again. Let's say I got in like a few cents above the bottom of that wick. Got up to 187, dude. You know, that's $100 plus trade, which is unfortunate because I tried. Then it gave me that rejection message. You have to go back and rewatch the video. I tried to fire the order. It gave me a rejection message. I tried to fire the order again. It gave me another rejection message. And then I realized that my level 2 had some type of not BDRX in its window. So that's why it wouldn't fire. And then IBIO over here, let's see, the first attempt was this breakout of $1, the VWAP breakout here, boop, was that break. And it looked like it was going just a little bit, and then panic flush, false breakout. I got caught in a false breakout and lost like 70 something bucks. And then it came back down, lower band. And if you've watched some of my recent videos, I've said I wanted to hold the lower band a little bit longer. It is against everything in my body to do that. It's very tough. That's why I got in for double shares here. I got in for 2,000 shares on that panic flush down to lower band. I got a pretty good fill. Got in at 86 cents, which is, right, almost, I almost bottom ticked that, which, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but toot there. Got in, took off half on the same candle, reduced risk, took off. So now I was down to 1,000, took off half again. That was reduced more risk. So now I was down to 500, took half off of that again, and that was down to 250 shares. And then I just used I was using this as the floor, which is the bottom of the previous candle, and I wanted the break of the 1 minute to make a new high. I wanted it to come test EMA. That's exactly what happened, and that's when I got totally out. So scratch green day, but at least one of the trades was executed nicely. Fumbled the bag here. I should have exited. I was even saying my line in the sand was at $1. And I got in and it immediately went under $1, which means that I should have hit the sell key right then and there, but ended up taking like a $75 L on that trade. So that's the recap. Thank y'all for being here. Much appreciated. I'm out of buying power. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.